what I was, did you order those?
Yeah.
You did?
No, all these here, just here?
You didn't order them. You'll probably find it easier if you take the rows off. So what I'm checking for here is to see if, usually when you lift the plant up, you can see you're thinking about the size, might be a big one, might be a small one. Usually when I lift it up, you nearly tell I need to leave that wet or dry. So you've just lifted that and you've decided if we lift the next one, feel the difference between them two.
Wait, different, yeah.
Okay, so that immediately tells me I suspect it's dry and you don't generally. So two things I do with that plant is I remove the yellow leaves for two reasons. They detract from the plant and also when you come to plant it, these low leaves get in the way. You're only going to bury them probably if you don't take them off. And what's going to happen if you bury them? They could rot or you have disease. And if you get the trough, I'm just removing these here first because I think it'll be easier for you when it's dry. So it means then I can see the compost and I know now that it's dry. So I can tell since lifting this way. This is a problem with, depends sometimes whereabouts in the house they've been, sometimes the front plants and the back plants. So, they're not too bad for grade. You'll notice they're reasonably, but there is a bit of variation. A bit like the petunias, would they? Aren't they mostly one size? Okay. So I'm going to do a bit like I did with the petunias. I'm going to take them out of the pot, stack my pots up, and there's two things I'm doing, and I'm doing this. I'm looking for the shorter plants and the taller plants. So if I find at the moment that's probably a wee bit shorter than that one, okay, and this one is probably the match of this. So I'm thinking at the moment this one go here, or this one go here. So they're coming out of the pot, so little pot of squeeze. If you've got a bit of root on the bottom, it's a good idea if you can clear that as you go. Happens when you would, because it's dripping. I'm removing those lower leaves. How many plants we're going to put? That's one I've already cleaned up. You see the difference. So you might say, I'm going to put that in the middle. If I put that in the middle, that's 3. Is that enough? 2 more? 2 more. I think I delayed a step. Now there's a plant that's not potted in the centre, but so when you're planting it, you're not thinking about the pot being in the centre, you're thinking about the plant. See how it's off centre at the moment. So a bit like twisting it round, you can so that's starting to feel like better, isn't it? Okay. Now, because we've got a variegated one there, that is a green leaf one. I don't think that would look just as good, would it? So we could, it's a good plant, we can use it, but it might be better to go for this. So I've just set that out a wee bit like the same way as you would for your petunias there. Hello. Briefly, I'm doing student instruction.